Good morning, students. I, Rohit Sharma, your fine art teacher, welcome you to this online fine art classes. So, first of all, I would like to congratulate all the students who are promoted in new class. So, students, this is a crucial time all over India. So, please stay safely at home and keep focus on your studies online. So now we come to the point. In 12th class we are going to discuss on our first chapter, Rajasthani School of Miniature Painting. So first of all, students, you can see two type of miniature paintings on your screen. So first we have to discuss what we have to understand about miniature paintings. So students, miniature painting is a type of handmade painting smaller in size than a normal painting. It is an ancient art in India and there were many schools including Rajputs, Deccans and the Mughals where this art was popular and used. So students, this is the basic about miniature painting. In your 12th class, we are going to learn and discuss different types of schools of miniature. So first chapter is about Rajasthani miniature school. So come to the point. So we discuss first its origin. Rajasthani or Rajput painting is considered as a bright chapter in the history of Hindu miniature painting in northwestern India. Its time period, Rajasthani school of miniature painting flourished between 16th to early 19th century in Rajasthan. And what about its areas? It covered the areas of Rajasthan, Bundelkhand, and the Punjab regions of Himalayas. So, students, now we discuss Rajasthani miniature school flourished in which areas. So, first it flourished in Mewar, which is known as totally pure Indian Rajasthani miniature style. But after it, Mughal influence came to other schools, in which later in the schools established and used this type of miniature paintings were Jaipur, Jodhpur, Bundi, Kishangarh, and Bikaner. So, this Rajasthani school of miniature painting came to its climax. So, both the kings, Rajasthani miniature painting reads its climax under the rule of Raja Savant Singh first and his son Raja Raj Singh of Kishangarh. So, students, two major factors contributed to the development of Rajasthani painting. Why these paintings are so much popular in whole Rajasthan? So, first reason is economic prosperity of the commercial community of Rajasthan, and the second one is the revival of Vaishnavism and the growth of Bhakti cult. So, students, these were the two reasons, and the main reason behind the popularity of these religious themes is in the 14th century, the influence of poets and writers like Ramanuja, who was the worshipper of Lord Vishnu, and Jayadev, who was the worshipper of Lord Krishna, both brought great changes in art, literature, and spiritual thinking of the people all over India. So, students, along with other who affected the thinking of people, were the appearance of Sri Chaitanya in the first image and Mirabai in the second, and their love and devotion for Lord Krishna also affected the thinking and mindset of the writers, the painters of that time to highlight the painting of Rajasthani miniature painting on the religious themes. Students, Rajasthani painting were greatly influenced by Ramananda, Tulsidas, and Kabir. It resulted in the expansion of the imaginative origin of the artist and the addition of subject related to Sri Ramcharitmanas, Geet Govinda, the divine love of Radha and Krishna, Hara Parvati, ancient tales, life of saints, Baramasa, monthly festival of the year, and Raginis based on Indian classical music. So all these factors are responsible for the origin and development of Rajasthani miniature painting. So students, in this class we only discuss about the origin. Hope so you will enjoy and learn safely at home. In the next our chapter or topic we discuss another subtopic. So thanks, keep rest at home and be safe. Thanks.